Hey everyone, welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I wanted to show you how to quickly reset your Dyson fan. Now, resetting the Dyson fan is necessary if you're having connectivity issues. Now, as you can see here, my fan is perfectly fine, thankfully. It is connected. But for some of you out there that are having connectivity issues, I'm going to be showing you how to reset it. Let's get started. So first thing you need to do is locate the power button on your remote and then the power button up here on the fan itself. Now, per Dyson's instructions, they tell you to hold the power button on the actual fan and the power button on the remote at the same time for 10 seconds. So let's do that right now. Now, as you can see, which is very useful, it's giving you that countdown, so you don't have to assume how long you gotta hold it for. And there you go, done. And it just got reset to fan speed 10. Not sure why it started at 10, but there you go. The fan is all reset, and hopefully if you were having connectivity issues, now it should be working again and you should be able to pair the fan with the app. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching. Take care.